Welcome to another episode of What's Nate Doing? It's the day before Thanksgiving. Thought it fitting that we pull the Bronco in and do some work on it. So we're gonna get flexible and get all the way underneath here and work on our pinion angle. That guy back there, it's terrible. It's like terrible. So when I did the lift on this, the shim they gave us didn't quite give us what we needed for the pinion angle. I think it's probably because the C6 and the transfer case that's in here, along with the engine, did not come in this. It's a different unit, the 460 with the C6. So it's a little further back than stock, making this driveline angle pretty terrible. So we got on, the sights and found us some shims. These are going to be 6 degrees. Throw that shim in there, see if we can that angle and make it a little more better. On this, so here's the shim that came out of it. Put it up on here. Will it just stay? Oh, it's not gonna stay. Let's use the. Come on. Anyway, you'll figure this out in a minute. And then we got that one. So hopefully, with that much more angle, we'll be able to get that. That we need right there. Over here, not saying it's the right way, it's just the way that we're doing it today. Shock off, stretched, the bungee cord of a rear brake line. Yep, that's too tight. That's not good, but we'll be all right. So I'll throw that new one back up in there and get the other side done. Got it done mostly. I'm gonna throw this last tire on and zing it in there, torque it, because that's a good thing to do on your wheels. And then we'll see what our angle looks like. Oh, it looks way better from here. We'll zip it on and then take a peek once it's on the ground. I know it doesn't change, but that's what we're gonna do. Tire was heavy. Somebody thinks they gotta put 35s on every single thing that they have. But it looks right. Coming down, bay zero. That's for you, Buck. Oh yeah, good bounce. Normally I like to torque it in the air a little bit, but yeah, it'll be fine. We'll give it 2 extra pounds because it's not in the air. Always put your torques back to 0. or it'll ruin your wrench. Okay, let's bring you in here. All right, all the way under. You can see now the pinion is pointed more like that, right at the transfer case. It's still steep, but it's going to be steep because it's a short wheelbase truck with a lift on it. So, but that is way better. We're getting some vibration under, launch conditions, or pretty much any time we accelerate. So we'll see if this works. Let's go for a ride. All start. Ooh, here we go. Had to jump. Not very tall. Ooh, bright light. Yep, it's better. Let's go for a little ride around the block and see what's going on. Roll that window up. Let's just turn around. Anybody coming? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, 0 to plus speed limit, we're good, allegedly. Yeah, really cut down on the launch weirdness. Vibrations cut way down, almost gone. I think it's what we can expect out of a little short wheelbase truck. So that's what I have for us today. We'll get back to the shop, clean up, and see what the evening brings. Thanks for watching.